Welcome to the North Country Outdoor Channel. Today is kind of a gloomy day here in northern Michigan. We're going back to a tree job that we almost finished yesterday. If you remember from yesterday, I didn't have any audio, so that kind of put the kibosh on that video of showing you the actual tree removal. So that video was kind of boring, but I did get pulled over and kept the camera rolling. So if you want to check out that video, it's called Pulled Over While Vlogging. So we're going to go back there today because one of the pine trees that the storm blew over was uprooted, and it's a huge root ball, and the only way to really get that out of there without a ton of work is to use my payloader. So I'm following my loader through town right now. I can show you one of my guys in the loader, and we're going to pull that root ball out of there, put it on a trailer, and dispose of it. But first, we're going to stop. Most places that landscape supplies places are closed on Sunday, but I got a hold of one of the places here in town yesterday. I've never dealt with them before, but I need a little bit of black dirt to to fill in the crater where the root ball is coming out of. And they said, well, we're closed on Sunday. I said, well, I can't get there till Sunday. Is there any way I could come over there, take a scoop with my loader, and then come back and pay you on Monday? And he was really cool about it. He said, yeah, not a problem, just let me know how much you take, I trust you, and come settle up with me on Monday. So that's cool. I mean, anymore in this day and age, you really can't trust people, and it's kind of nice that one local business to another can be trusted, and I can go get this dirt so I can finish my job on a Sunday. So we're going to go get that dirt, and then we're going to head over to get that root ball out of there. There you go. No. Come on, good boy. Come here. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Right. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. I think it'll be all right. Tell them to lift out. It's fine, it's loose. It's on. Alright, we're just leaving the job site here. I'm completely covered in mud because we decided to power wash that root ball and get as much dirt off it as we could. It's obviously good dirt, and ended up getting about a yard off it, I do believe. And you know, black dirt's, I don't know, $60 or so a yard, somewhere in there. I don't know, they go by the scoop, like 3 scoops for $62, and it's a little over a yard for 3 scoops. So anyway, yeah, I'm covered. Kind of boring today, but at least there's audio and you can see a little bit of what I had going on. So subscribe to the channel. I normally don't beg for it, but I'm trying to grow a little bit here, and I'd like it if you guys hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.